I te pokapū o Tāmaki Makaurau, te kaihautu i te kapa kiwi a Benji Marshall i te rānei e waitohu ana i tāna pukapuka hou. I reira te tokomaha, ko etahi e rite ana o rātou karu ki o te ruru.
Tūtaki mai kia Shiloh Albert me tana whanaunga a Taylor Albert. Ko kotahi haora e nei uri o ngai tūhoi e whangana mō tō rāua whanaunga me tō rāua whakatauiratanga.
Every moment he steps on the field, I reckon, is a main moment. He just, man, he's magic.
Explosion! Benji Marshall! Benji Ball!
When he stepped the whole team and the time he did the flick pass and scored and won the game for us, for the Kiwis, against Australia and last minute. Yeah.
Ka tīmata tana waitohu haere i tana pukapuka ki Aotearoa nei i tērā wiki I tōna tūranga waiwai o whakatāne.
Oh, it's pretty mean. You know, in Aussie you sort of get lost in it and you don't get to see the support back here. So, especially the smaller towns, you know, like had a lot of support come out. So, really appreciating it and, you know, it's really humbling.
What did he write?
To Casey Marshall, love always Benji.
Benji Marshall.
Benji Marshall, he's awesome.
He's amazing.
Oh, Gus, it's up to you, you know. It's even if you don't like sport, it's about growing up in Whakatane and the highs and lows of, you know, having a tough life. And for me, you know, I just wanted to share my story and try and inspire kids that they can come what I've come from to where I am.
Yeah, I just like everything about me, his step and his flick passing, his long balls and yeah.
I nāe nei kua tutuki te moimoi a o ngā rangatahi nei, kia whiwhi pukapuka, kia whiwhi waitohu hoki, kua ea tō rāua wawata kirihimete. Roihana Nuri, Te Karere.